Okay, this is another Pythagorean question for grade 11 trigonometry revision for the March 5th Saturday workshop that we're doing. So let's just take a look. We've got this sketch, and all they give you is this line here, OP, and they tell you that P has the coordinates of 12 and Y. 12 is the X coordinate, and Y is the Y coordinate. Well, I put this little dotted red line in here so I could make a right-angled triangle so I can do my Pythagorean um, trigonometry. And here's the angle theta bending all the way around. But 12 and y means I go 12 in the x direction and y, some negative number, in the y direction. They tell us that the line OP is 13 units. Well, that's pretty nice. We've got a triangle here. We can use Pythagoras to figure out what y is. 12 squared plus y squared is 13 squared by Pythagoras. Now, if we subtract 12 squared from 13 squared, we get 25. We take the square root of 25, we have two possibilities, positive or negative 5. But in the third quadrant, we've gone down 5, so y must be minus 5. And that's what A is. Determine y. Y is minus 5. But now we have this wonderful triangle here. We know that this y is minus 5, and we've got the adjacent side, the opposite side, and the hypotenuse for this angle theta. We've got the triangle. So what's the sign? It's just minus 5 opposite over 13, the hypotenuse. And that's it. Then they say, okay, what's the cosine of the angle plus the tangent of this angle? Well, cosine is going to be 12 over 13 because cosine is adjacent over 13. The hypotenuse. Adjacent over hypotenuse. But the tangent is opposite, which is minus 5. Boy, this thing's out of proportion. It looks like it's longer than 12, but diagrams are often out of proportion, so don't be fooled by that. That's minus 5, and that's 12. Opposite over adjacent, minus 5 over 12. Now you go 12 over 13 plus negative 5 over 12. Well, if you don't have a calculator, you'd go 13 times 12 is 156. Then you go 145 minus 144 minus 65, and you'd get 79. You can put this in your calculator and write 79 over 156. And there's your answer for what's the cosine of tangent theta. Okay, so, well, that's basically it. You know, sometimes they give you the triangle in a different way. Here they use coordinates. And they gave you the triangle, and you use Pythagoras to find the other part. And they gave you the hypotenuse. Okay, so hopefully that will